So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put it in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. It's really cool. Learning everything you need to is, it's great to do. Until you need to make money. Order. Stop.
Of the Orbem Order.
Stop learning everything.
When Ancient
you need to make
Council
money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on.
Hey everybody. Happy Monday. Happy President's Day. Hey. Nothing I love doing more than celebrating the president. You know what I mean? Super stoked. Beady Turtle! Yes, he is a cheater. You don't school all week? Was the weather that bad? I didn't think New York was doing worse than me. That's crazy. Let's update this text on the YouTube Shorts live feed, because today we are building product assets. We'll call it 3D printed product assets. There we go. Oh, midwinter break. Huh. It's about a foot of snow. Yeah, damn. That's crazy. Yeah, we have a decent amount of snow too. Most snow we've had all winter so far, which has been cool, I guess. Though oldest got sick over the long weekend, so that's great. Waiting for many people to talk about school. Yeah, Beady Turtle. In case you're closer to my age, a lot of the people on my stream are youngins. Much younger than I'd like to admit. Nah, don't worry about it. You get over it. They're cool guys. Chicken nuggets. Mr. Kona. There he is. Mr. Kona himself. Talking about them chicken nuggets. Appreciate it. Keep it up. Keep the chickens coming. Hey, but like it says on the YouTube title and all the other titles, we are not going to be doing some major game dev. Maybe some later. I did do some work over the weekend. Alright, Indy. But I think mostly I'm going to be working on some very interesting Fusion 360 360 rendered assets of the products. Because I gotta tell you, I've been having a hard time taking decent product photos. I'll just show you. So, like, they're fine. And, like, it's like, you know, whatever. That looks like a product of sorts. And, you know, you put a filter. Okay, cool. Now it's a black version. And by the way, this took me a really long time to even get it to this cleanliness. And I had to do so much cleanup work. It's just, it's not that the products themselves are like, you know, badly made or anything, and they aren't smooth and in person look great, you know, like, it's just that they just don't take photos very well. That being said, I jumped into Fusion 360 and I started doing some of the set rendering and the settings, and actually getting some really nice results with pretty realistic looking texture. So it's not like it's going to fool anybody, and I'm not trying to into thinking that that's the like in-person product, but I will have, you know, videos, 360 videos of the actual product, and, you know, other things to actually show how to use them, or them in use. So, but for the main product photos and stuff, where the first thing you see, different angles, maybe even 360 videos that I can't do in person, I'm going to try to eke that out of Fusion 360. So we will be doing that. But a print just finished. If you have not been part of the Discord and checking it out, I have been working really hard on these modular shelves, which we did, you know, I did get all three up. I did get all three working. And this is the example of the long shelf that I've been working on. Which is modular, so that centerpiece can come out and you can actually put them together and make it shorter. You can add as many middle pieces as you want and make it as long as you want. You just have to keep buying more middle pieces and brackets. And I learned some things when I was installing this on the wall. Namely, the 3 bracket positions, when you take the middle piece out, when you take all 3 off the wall and you're just left with the actual like wall hanging bracket, this middle piece and this left piece is not the same distance as this piece on the right here. I'll get a better angle. Right. And obviously, I used black screws. So this on the right here to this on the left here, they aren't the same distance as this middle piece is to one of the right or left brackets. So when I just took it off, I wanted to just put the 2 together, the left and right pieces, and they didn't line up because they're farther apart. That being said, I redesigned it, obviously. Another thing I don't like about this. So this is actually a great solution. This is my redesigned connector. And I went from 50 millimeters to 100. So I went bigger, longer to get more support. Because you see these have these nubs and these, you know, penis to vagina connectors. So they connect into each other, and it's whatever. It's a friction fit. And then you connect them using the connector, right? So it's more like these are just for alignments. But it really is rickety. And, you know, even when the connector's in there, it does kind of have a tendency to leave a bigger gap. Just from the weight. I mean, the pictures, you could see, it works when you have stuff like that. You need to quit playing with those 3D printers and get a job. No way, man. Hopefully one day 3D printers are my job. And I'll keep messing with them until they are. But, McNut, so I had two things to solve. One is I need to make this gap like more consistent. Especially if you have something heavier in these shelves, it's gonna kind of like move things around. The second thing is I needed to move these wall bracket T-bars on the left and right. So, took a handful of ideating on it, but ended up creating this. So this is a tester piece to test my new, you know, where you saw those two nubs, you know, the nubs, the penis to vagina nubs. Now, you see this is kind of cool. You'll see this. It's a little bit of a friction fit. You'll see we have replaced with a massive vagina and a massive penis. So now it's more of like a cartridge style, kind of like a NES cartridge fit. And you'll see that one side accepts the other side. And it goes all the way the length. So one side goes into the other. Okay? And so already gotten about 1,000% more 1,000% more strength just by connecting these two together, which once you do it a couple times, it's actually not that hard. So now these are connected. So it's already 1,000 times better than the old one. And then when you add this connector piece into it, it just locks that in place. So now you're not worried about any sort of wobbling or anything. I mean, you have a lot of strength in this joint that the other one just didn't have. That was just made for alignment. One thing I do need to do, probably will do on stream, I need to put a little nub here that you can grab. Because once these are inset, they are pretty tight. My printer has really good tolerance. So, yeah, I need to I need to make a little nub. Because I actually, I made these a little deeper so that they wouldn't come out at all. So now you can't grab it at all. So let's get the print off. I printed a new left shelf. I'm going to have to do a new right and a new middle piece with all the new fittings. Let's try it out. Yeah, right. Hey, off the bed. You missed my big spiel, but I'm going over the modular shelf unit, which again worked. I have the video, kind of just going over how it looks when it's up on the wall, and it I could make that as long as I want, right? As long as I have more middle pieces and more brackets, and it's not a big deal. But came up with a lot of issues, and now I have redesigned the connectors to be a cartridge fit so that it's much stronger when they go together, and it's it's usually not that bad to get them together. So you see here, so it's much better fit, and then you lock it in place with the new eye bracket, which is a lot longer, the connector. So here is the new left shelf. Oh shit, this is the right shelf. Uh-oh. I thought I was printing the left shelf this whole time. Wait a second. What was I printing? Oh shit. I think I mixed up the left and the right shelves. Thanks. Appreciate it. Did it myself. Well, let's take this off. I'm gonna have to re-export because I definitely have misnamed these now. That makes sense because I had the right shelf before and I kept updating the left shelf and it wouldn't change, so I thought I got it wrong. Okay. That makes more sense now. So I still do tree supports when I have like higher up supports that I need. But for the flat, like very flat prints that need supports, I switch back over to the normal. But yeah, looks pretty good. And I have maintained the slow speed that I have it set for the white. And I don't know. I can't say for sure that the slow down speed has made any major changes on the black PLA. I think I got similar results with yeah, there's a little bit of a layer shift over here. I mean, it's not massive. It's still very functional, but it looks like I kind of got one here. Yeah, you can't see it there. Like, right. Maybe it's better from this angle. Yeah, right up there. Huh. Interesting. It's not that bad, though. Just trying to get rid of some of the strings. Yeah, looks good. Well, now I need to print the real left side. Shit. Let's see if actually... Oh, no. Hold on. I'm gonna have to switch back real quick. So this is the actual left side, which I called the right side for some reason. Let's re-export this then. Do you know what Gongi is from Squid Games? No, I don't. Actually, I haven't watched Squid Games. Shocker. Shelf left. Yes. And let me actually save out the the other one so I don't forget. This is the right. Yes, of course that's the right. Why wouldn't it be the right? Fucking idiot. Isolate. Export. Modular shelf right. Hey, Indy's back. Indy, do you know what Gongi is from Squid Games? I do not. And middle's middle. Okay, cool. So let's get another print going on the printer while we work on our asset rendering. So this time, let's do the real right shelf. Right? Because this is left. No, this is right. Let's do the real left shelf. Shit. I almost printed the wrong one. Yeah, here we go. And I might be going a little obsessive on the modular shelf system again. Just feel like it's got a real chance of being super useful. And I didn't want to work on product photos anymore. And tomorrow is my trademark consultation. I'm meeting with the trademark people to get that going so I can get my trademark part pending. Your basement started leaking, so now my setup is across the room. Oh, shit. You watch the show? Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, the leaks are going to come. It's wet season. I mean, all that snow puts a lot of weight on the foundation, and then it starts melting. And then the melting goes through the concrete, because concrete absorbs water. And, shit ensues. That's why I have a constant dehumidifier in my theater room, specifically. That's the area that has the most water stuff going on. You know, I have my sump pump there, I have my well, and all that kind of stuff, so it tends to be a little bit more moist over there. But yeah, a fan and dehumidifier, just a cheap one off Amazon, with a little drain that goes right into the sump pump area, works really well. It's fun over here. You have your TV, 3 monitors, 3 printers, 3D printer, and your iMac. Nice. Sounds like fun. Sounds like my office, except for the monitors. Though I do have a lot of computers. Alright, let's get this sliced. Yep, about 2 hours. Sounds good. Oh, here we go. Let's take a look in a second. Print. Alright, good. You got dehumidifier with the water thingy going into the bucket? A bucket? Nice. Oh, here we go. Oh. Yeah. That's a Korean Jax. Yeah. Oh. His face. Yeah. That was epic. They're so stoked on him. Music is good. I like that music. Alright, leave this alone. That was good. So I also have some videos of like installing it and stuff. I had to actually make a I had to make a straight line using a level. And then you see here, then you have to actually connect the pieces. It's really hard to do with one hand, by the way. And then I already have the bracket connected to it, and then you see that's how you line up where the bracket needs to be screwed into. And then you just take a little pencil and you mark where it goes. You see now I have it marked here. And then you screw that in. And it's pretty simple to install, actually, if I just give a little bit of a how-to. And it doesn't, I mean, these shelves are really light, so they don't really require like you could just use anchors if you wanted into the drywall, or you could find a stud. I found a stud for the middle one, that's all I needed. Ship a helper person? It's too much. This is not too much. You just have to screw it. It's just like hanging a normal shelf, really. Except for this one, you don't actually have to screw anything into the shelf itself. You can immediately just snap it into place, basically. And that's why it's cool. That's why it's modular, you know? Because you can actually take it off, and then you can change what goes in the shelves. Eventually, I will have doohickeys, hooks, and, you know, boxes and hangers and different things that go on the same brackets, so you could switch it out whenever you want. You know what I mean? Which, if you see here, so yeah, that's kind of how it goes. And then once you stick it into the wall. Where is it? Then you just take one of your little connectors and you just connect the two pieces. Kind of like a, I don't know, like a Lego or something. And that just gives it structural support. Now, this is the old version. My new versions are way stronger. The connection points, like I showed you, these cartridge connector points are way better. There's an Orb Mortar Reddit. There is! Yes, I started a subreddit or whatever, Orb Mortar one a long time ago. And no one cared. Yeah, there you go. And that's how you have all three. And they're pretty strong. I haven't done a load test on them yet. You know, they're not made for holding massive tools or anything. But, yeah. So this should be good now. Should be able to print all three. And then I need to, I need to actually redesign the connectors, which I can do, I don't know. I guess I could do that real quick right now. So all I want to do is add a little thing to pull it in and out. So I'll probably just not do that. Oops. Let's do this. I'll probably just do, I don't know, just a little nub right in the middle. What do you think? Just a little finger hold so you can pull it out if you need to. Something thin. I mean, this is a pretty good grip. How much is this? I think it's like 5. Yeah, it's about 5. So we can do, yeah, it's kind of thick. We'll do like 4 by 14. That'd probably be strong enough to hold, right? 14 is about... yeah. Substantial. And then we'll just stick it out a little bit. I mean, you need like... probably... a decent amount. Is 5 enough, do you think? Not really. Maybe like 7. That should be probably good enough to grab it. And then we'll just do a nice little fillet so it doesn't hurt you. Actually, yeah, we can fillet the whole damn thing. There you go. There's your nub. Nub it up. You sent me a basement tour? Exciting. Alright, so this is the new shit. This is the new modular shelf connector. Great. And I don't need the same thing for the brackets because they have a piece that hangs outside, so you can just grab it from there. Alright, back to rendering after I see your basement tour. Hey, did you guys see my new MacBook? My new MacBook pizza? Pretty exciting. Where did you send it? my MacBook pizza. It's a MacBook made out of authentic Italian style pizza. Where did you send the basement tour? I don't see it. Maybe it's still sending. Alright, so as you can see, we have a much different 3D model going on now for the rendering. I don't understand how to render though. Like, this is such a weird picture that got rendered. It's so blurry. Can you delete it? How do I delete you? Oh, here we go. Trash. Trash. I still want to do video too. Oh, got it. So how do you render? Because they have this in canvas render, but I don't really know what that is. And then they have capture image, which, whatever, we'll make it big. Transparent background? I don't know. Oh, okay. I guess PNG. And we'll save it to my computer. Oops. What does that look like? I love it has the purple dots still. Yeah, see, that's just not... that's not good. How do you get higher quality? It's weird, because when I move it, it feels like it's higher quality. Oh, no, not there. In canvas render. Oh, is that what in canvas render means? Like... am I supposed to, like, record my own screen or something? Because it says it's... oh, no, it has a stop. It sent... oh, God. Well, there's your bucket. Oh, yeah, there they are. Some good books right there. Whoa, there you go. You got your 3D printer chilling. Got a lot of stuff going on down there. Hell yeah, man. Fantabulous. Oh my god, it has to re-render every time you move it. Okay, well, let's move it to the right position I want then. I want it like this. Yeah. No. No. Motherfucker. Wait, how do I... too much. I want it like that. Let's see if we can get a better picture of it. You have to eat it. Yeah. That makes sense. Alright. I'll put it up to a vote. What chocolate should I eat from this giant thing of chocolates? We've got French chocolate, sea salt caramel, peanut butter, cashew cluster. We got some pretzel. We got a pecan snapper. Pretzel clouds, almond clusters, double dark silk, English toffee, peppermint patties, pecan meltaway, and then we got like a Cookie Crunch and Haystack. What are you thinking? Anybody? That's true. You're not wrong. Whoa! I'm gonna need to create a chocolate time. Unfortunately, I don't have that yet. But it will be an epic song, so we'll get there. Anyways. You know what time it is. Everyone's favorite time of the night. Oh yeah, I think we nailed it. Scotch time. Thank you. Oh. Me too. And we're gonna pick. Alright, I'll give you two choices. Peanut butter or French chocolate. Which one? Peanut butter or French chocolate? Peanut butter or French chocolate? Which one do you want to watch me eat? Off the bed says French. More jealous of the peanut butter? No, which one do you want me to eat in front of you? French? Because you're having French toast tomorrow? Alright. Alright, we have 2 French toasts. 2 French chocolates. YouTube Shorts live feed. Anybody there? French chocolate or peanut butter? We're giving YouTube Shorts live feed a shot. What do you guys think? Oh, they all left. They're like, we don't want to say anything. All right, French chocolate wins. And now we'll dip it in some whiskey. Just kidding. Oh. It's just a big thing of chocolate. Not bad. It tastes really good. Better with the scotch. Okay. This sucks. This for sure sucks. It doesn't do really well with depth. You're gonna say, Future, you gotta bite in half and show us the middle bit? Yeah, there was no middle bit. You got lucky. But next time I definitely will do that. How do I fix the field of depth? Render settings. Fast. No. Advanced. There's really no settings. Lock view. Limit resolution. Why would I do that? Yeah, this sucks. How the hell do you get a good picture with this shit? Render. Render. Oh, here we go. Shit. I didn't see these before. Final. Advanced settings. Here we go. Excellent. I want the best goddamn render. Image size. Custom. No, let's do... I don't know. Let's do big. Web. PNG. High quality. Do it in the slicer, but don't slice it. Oh, you mean take the video or whatever in the slicer? No, this gives me like realistic shit. It's having issues with the field of depth. Native. Let's do advanced exposure. I don't know what that means. Upgrade a fuse. Oh no, I don't care about that. Render. All right, let's see how this works. I have a feeling it'll be pretty similar. I mean, this actually looks like I took a picture of the product. It's a little weird once it's rendered. Because, I mean, here, I'll grab it. I mean, obviously, I printed this file, so of course it's going to look pretty similar, but like, I mean, it looks just as real. You lose a lot of the diamond pattern just because of the lighting, but I can fix the lighting. But, yeah. Also, the shadows are going the other way, so yeah, I definitely need to fix the lighting. Alright. Come on. I want to see this excellent render. In the meantime, let's look into some of this other shit. I don't want to touch anything because it'll fuck up the render. But let's look into Fusion 360 video render. Alright, off to bed. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Thanks for hanging around. What? Oh, excuse me. All these videos. Oh, well, this one's actually pretty new. Getting started with rendering. I don't give a shit about that. Here you go, render and animation. Here we go, how to animate joints? No. What's a motion study? What, are you gonna tell me a bunch of random things? What the fuck? Alright, you're useless. Here, locally render video. Uh-huh. Yeah, huh? What's the video do, though? I would almost believe hats a UI snafu, and it's not possible. What? Oh, this is like a issue. The only way I can do it is in the cloud. I bet I could do it. I bet this guy's lying about his computing power. I'll give it a shot. Come on, baby. It's almost done. This is just gonna be a photo. But like I said, I'm trying to get some product assets. Would love to be able to actually import scenes too, because you can import backgrounds and like put them in places. I want to import a wall, because unfortunately, while I have tons of walls with tons of light switch areas, like the wall color or what room it's in, the staging, like I can't stage it. I was actually gonna go, and I have a bunch of drywall from when I redid the basement, the movie room and the arcade and stuff, and I was actually just gonna like build a wall, like a fake wall that I could take photos on, but this would be way better. So let's try that. And especially with like the flex keys and stuff, I want to do 3D videos of it spinning around. And you can export like 3D manipulatable videos as well, I think, in this. So like you can upload it in Amazon and you can actually drag and pull around. And if you can't do that, I'll do it on my website, which I've also decided I'm gonna kind of try to move forward with my shop, because right now orbmortar.com
shop is pretty dumb. And for being like a super seasoned professional website programmer for the past 20 years, yeah, it's a little sad. But I haven't spent any time on it because it's just kind of like Amazon affiliate links. But now that I'm going to have real products that I want to sell, I need to up my game on the shop. I also want to put specific, you know, sections on the homepage showing off the flex keys and all that kind of stuff. I just want to finish the trademarking first. Not like I think anybody's going to steal Orbem order or try to, but it would go a long way to the rest of the shit I need to do. But I do have my account set up. Did you have the meeting yet? It's tomorrow, actually. 10 a.m. And I don't know what the fuck. I'm assuming I already uploaded all the shit that they asked for. Like, hey, are you using Orbem order right now? You know, as your brand, because they need like evidence that it's. I mean, I guess it helps the cause of the trademark if it's being used actively. So it should be really easy for me to get approved and to get the trademark just like going. But for some reason they require this fucking call first, which took 2 weeks. But hey, speaking of Amazon and buying things, please, everybody, check out the book if you haven't yet. Though I don't think there's anybody watching who hasn't. Peanut butter and jelly M&Ms? Is that a thing? Impressive. Wait, it finished. Let's see. Does it look good? Does it look high quality? How the fuck do I... Is it not done? What the fuck? How do I view my gallery? Let me see. I mean, it looks like it's still running, though. How long does it run? No, it runs forever, I thought. What the fuck? What the fuck? Show me my fucking image. Oh wait, didn't I close the gallery? Oh, there it is. Son of a bitch. Why are you like that? What the fuck? Snap. Snap. There we go. Hey, that looks the same. It doesn't look much better. Yeah, what the fuck? You can't see any of the detail. Doesn't make any sense. Actually, this looks different. Is this the old one? No, I thought I deleted the old one. Yeah. Well, that was shit. Let's try video rendering. Maybe I'm just not gonna be able to get good pictures out of this, or I'm gonna have to just change the settings a lot. First off, let's stop the rendering here. And let's also delete these goddamn purple things. Why not use just actual products? Seems like there is a depth of field issue. No, I mean, I already have pictures of the products. I was mostly trying to get like really good angles and shit. Like, I'll show you. So, like, this is my actual product photos. And, like I said, they're fine. And, you know, I can clean them up as much as I need to. But, they're a pain in the ass. And they're not perfect, you know? I don't have a good photo studio setup here. So I'll only get so much detail, clean detail, you know, with clean lighting, and it's it took a lot to even get it to this. A lot of cleanup, just because there's so many weird, like, layer lining and stuff that all the light just kind of perfectly shadows into. So instead of having to like clean all that shit up, I'd love to just have a 3D model that's nice and clean. I don't have to worry about the print itself.
Because like I said, I'm not worried about the products. They're going to be nice and clean and stuff like that, but if I could just get a realistic 3D rendering, then I could take it from all the angles. I could put it in any wall or setting. Let's see. So let's check out the render again. What happened? There we go. Let's go to video. Let's check out HD video. I guess, what's the video? Once rendering is complete, click the thumbnail to get the full image. Wait, but it's a video though. So what's the video of? Is it what I'm doing right now? Is this taking a video or something? Does not compute. I do know what I need to do though. I need to remove these fucking purple lines. These things won't go away. I don't know why. The M&Ms don't really taste like peanut butter and jelly. Ah. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it's doing. It's saying it's a video, but... Yeah, so I can change the scene setup, and I can fix the lighting and that kind of stuff. Change the background. You know, the appearance settings. I could change what it's made of. You know, I can change the color, which is really cool. And then the scene setting is, you know, I made it on this darker background. You can change the brightness. You can change the lighting, the camera angle, perspective. Oh wait, blur. Why is there blur? Was that blur on there the whole time? It doesn't look any better though. What is this blur for? Depth of field. Whoa! I don't know how to do camera work, so this could be really bad. Now it's getting rid of all the depth. That's crazy. Too much depth. I don't know what the average is supposed to be though. Oh, let's see what the video did. Hey, the video is not a video, so why did they say it was? It's a JPEG. What the fuck? Didn't I just... What am I doing? Sticky. Alright, whatever. Why is it saying video? Render. I don't know. How come it's not video? Huh. Maybe it means video size? Or something? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look this up. Yeah, I can screen print. But it actually looks worse right now than it does in the rendering. Like, it doesn't look great. Like, the details are not showing. And I know I could... I can... fuck with the lighting a little bit. Sharp lighting. Soft lighting. Warm lighting. Yeah, and then you can like download shit, which the downloads weren't working for me. I don't know why. Warning! More info. The environment downloads us, so please check your network connection. It's like, what do you mean? I'm obviously connected. Yeah, but you can attach a custom one. So, I was just gonna do that. But the lighting is interesting. Definitely think the, I don't know, soft lighting was better. Yeah, because that says sharp, but it makes it even more blurry. Oh. Settings. Make it brighter. Which doesn't really help. Ground plane. Flatten ground. Okay. Reflections. Ooh, you can add reflections on the ground. You're bouncing around a ball on your desk and land right into you. Oh no. That's funny. Roughness. Alright. None of that's doing anything. Exposure. Now it's black. Just from exposure. Depth of field. Okay. Oh, maybe that's what was happening. Yeah. I don't know. Starting to think this isn't gonna work like I thought. In canvas. Render. Render. Why does it keep doing that? Body. Render. Let's take a quick look. Render video in Fusion 360. Burn the filament. That'd be dangerous. Alright, Instructables, tell me. Step 1. Wait, what? Import your model. Add joints. Create a motion study. Oh. Okay. The fuck is that? The secret step to get motion study to render. Oh, so I have to create the motion first and then render the video. Oh wait, hold on. Animation. I can actually do an animation. Okay. Manufacture. Generate toolpath. No. Drawing. Maybe render is just not for what I want. Hold on. Let's add a motion study. How did they do that? Motion study. Utilities? Make motion study. I guess I could just look what I was looking at. What? Oh, it's an assemble. This is a very old version of Fusion 360, but it should be similar. Assemble. Motion study. Before you can create a motion, you must create 2 or more components and assemble them with non-rigid joints. Oh, so it only works for joints. Can't I fucking spin it around? Can't you just spin this shit? Make item spin. You can use transform components command. You can also add joints. I don't want a joint. Maybe I don't know what a joint is. 20,000 for a metal cover. Was it sweet emotion study? Nice. Create a spun profile. Ooh, RPG Maker. Intro to animations. Oh, wait, but can you do the rendering in the animation? Maybe that's how I do it. Maybe I do it in the animation and then I render the animation. That makes sense. So if I go here to animation, and then here, if we record camera view, and then we... How come this isn't computing with me? How about we spin this around? Oh, there we go. So I just had to move it. So now if you play, oh, it's like zooming out and then spinning around. Ooh, that's pretty good. This is what I'm talking about. I want to do something like this. That looks pretty fancy. Okay, so now that we have that, can we render that? Oh, here we go. Storyboard transform. View. How do I... View is not recording. What? Oh, publish. Publish video. But will it render it? No, doesn't look like it will. Let's just save it to the computer real quick. I just wonder if I can save this now. Well, let's just look what it looks like. Yeah, it's just the normal thing. I mean, that's cool. If I could get that to be rendered in 3D, then that's exactly what I'm looking for to like showcase the products. And I can add joints and stuff for the flex keys, like make the keys move up and down. But most of my products don't have any moving pieces. I can even put like the shelves together and show you how to put them together in a 3D animation. That could be pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can render this now. Is it gonna show up? How do you... capture... Set the image... in render settings... Let's see, that video kind of looked like he had a rendered version. Let's just look at it real quick.
Walton Goggins goggle glasses. I know how to make slick-looking goggle/glasses.
So in this situation, I'm going to drag this to 12 seconds. Because that's how long I want my rotors to rotate.
Yeah.
And I'm going to add another transform components. So I'm going to click on this, and in this situation...
Oh, cool. So you can just move one piece of the puzzle or whatever.
Well, Well, in this situation, we want this to spin more than just one time in this set amount of time we have in here. So over 12 seconds, I want this to spin 360 degrees, like we'll say 8 times. So inside of the cell, I'm going to type in 360 times 8 and hit the enter key. And so if we right-click on
That's
this,
pretty cool.
we click on Edit Action, you can see how we've set this so that in the 8 seconds, between 4 seconds and 12 seconds, so between those 2 points, this is going to spin 2,880 degrees. So it's going to spin 8 times in 8 seconds. So now, if we were to play this, you can see how this is going to start, and it's going to go slow. It's going to go 360 degrees in 4 seconds. But then, it's going to speed up, because now it's spinning 360 degrees.
Yeah, but can you render it?
Second. So you can see how now we have a movement in here for our rotor spinning up, and a movement for our rotor spinning in general. So now what we want to do
Camera transition.
we want to start another animation.
Camera point.
And we'll say 6 seconds for right now. So
Yeah, it doesn't look like you're able to
this.
render the animation.
We'll get it close to 6 seconds. And then we want to add another transform.
Why did he
This
show
time,
that
instead of
rendered
selecting
version that one time?
we want to select our whole model.
Free model.
And you can definitely download this.
Oh, son of a bitch. He was just showing the original model. Shit. Can you render an animation in Fusion 360? Oh, here we go. How to render an animation solution. Animations cannot currently be rendered. Fuck. Motion studies. Motion study can be created in the design workspace. Rendered. Note. Can only be performed on the cloud. Son of a bitch. Well, looks like we got my answer. Just won't be able to do it with Fusion 360 like I thought. You know, I saw all the 3D options and stuff. But I guess, you know, like I said, I could animate. The problem is this just looks like shit in animation. Like, this is not, like, with the black lines and everything, like, it doesn't look good. It looks pretty good in render. You know, it looks at least 3D and realistic. It's just such a boner that they don't let you animate this, you know? Like you said, I could just, like, screen record this, but it looks bad until it's properly rendered. Like, I wonder if I change the product from white to black, if it would look better. Like, it looks cleaner, but you still lose all the detail. Oh, no, I want the scene settings. It's way more brightness. Exposure. Less brightness, more exposure. Yeah. I mean, it's... like I said, it's not the worst thing in the world. It just doesn't let me freely move it the way I want either. I mean, this is good if I'm just showing off the product, you know, like, hey, check it out. This is what the future product's gonna look like, you know? But, yeah, I don't know. It's not doing it for me. Maybe with a different background. I can kind of get away with black, but you really can't see the depth of the diamond pattern at the angle that I want. Like, you completely lose it there. No bueno. Okay. I wonder if there's another tool that could do it. You surprised I didn't flip the breaker or something? I have like 5 power strips plugged in for all my shit down here. Yeah, that's a little scary. You shouldn't have all those on at the same time. 3D animating tool for STLs. Free. Blender, oh yeah, good idea. Not. 3D video. Animation. I guess SketchUp is a thing. Can you import STL to SketchUp? To import STL. Huh? I don't know, I mean, I do have SketchUp, so let's see if it works in SketchUp. I know they have like textures and stuff too in SketchUp, so it could work. Maybe you can add another light source so it would show depth. Yeah, it's just, I don't like the white. And I need most of the products in white. You know what I mean? Because these are going to be hanging on your wall. So if I can't get a good white, then it's no use in using it. I don't actually cancel. I don't remember who... Wait, how did I... Mute, I think. Maybe? Yeah, I think that was right. Mi products. SketchUp, yes. For web. Alright, let's create a new one. Let's get rid of Dan over here. We're gonna use scenes, but let's import my STL. Yep, STL is one of the things, so it should work. Let's do light switch. Unsupported. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm doing the video. Light switch. We'll stick with the one switch for now. Import. Preserve. Oh god, this is the actual dimensions. That's fine. That's what zoom is for. Okay, let's create a wall to put it on, maybe. And then we can try this out. Rec. Let's do a wall. Do a pretty big wall. This is how I learned how to do CAD. Alright, we got a wall. And now we have my STL. And we need to move this fucker. Why would you immediately go into rotate? I was trying to move you. Alright, hold on. Now I need to rotate you up. There we go. Now let's move you. I want to move you onto a wall. No. Oh my god, this looks great. Fucking not. How do I put you on the... There we go. Now you're on a wall. Now you're kind of through a wall. Yeah, definitely through it. Can't you just fucking... Oh god. Okay, there we go. He's on a wall. 2 for all the stuff on your table, TV wall. That's a lot of power strips, man. Okay. So, there has to be a way to make this look better. So if I... Oh, shit. Stop moving me. Okay, stop. Okay. So, materials. Let's use the searcher. 3D printing. What is this? Plastic? Chipboard, cardboard. How is this 3D printing? That's weird. Where's plastic? Synthetic. What is this? Quartz. Oh my god. This is not gonna have what I need, is it? What? It's just so weird that it has... Let's try red plastic, and then we can edit it later. How do I know you can edit. Here we go. Edit. Yes. Red plastic. That's just the name. How do I edit it? I thought you could change the color. You used to be able to. Change the opacity. Oh, color. Here we go. White. Okay. Perfect. Looks exactly the same as how we started. I'm losing hope on this one. Because even if I add a scene... the shit itself looks really bad. Standard view. My scenes. Add a scene. Update. Style. I don't... I haven't done this on this version in a long time. Yeah, but how do I, like, animate it? Oh, shit. It worked, I guess. Okay. I give up. Okay. Okay. And then you can add like different scenes. Yeah, I kind of remember this. And just like, how would you even... Yeah. This isn't gonna work. Okay. That's another fail. Indy, I posted a musical meme. Ooh. Yeah, we might be screwed. Yeah, I should be using piece of browser. Kinda bummed. Really did think this had some hope. I still think if I could get the textures right, that it could look good. If I really understood how to fucking use these settings better. Maybe, like, edit the light better. Definitely don't think that the black is how I want to portray it, though. Yeah, I don't really have much control over the light setup either. So let's go back to white. That's the wrong white. This white. Oh, I think it has two on it now, doesn't it? God damn it. How do you... Flat white. Oh, I think it's just because of the exposure now. Yeah. Okay. So camera, exposure, too much exposure. Brightness needs to go back up. Fake object to reflect light. I mean, the problem here is not even the light source. It's the fact that all the lines look so goddamn blurry. And those fucking purple things won't go away. Hold on. How the fuck? Get out of here. Go away. What is this? There we go. Jesus. That was annoying the fuck out of me. Oh, no, not animation. Render. Yeah, like I want to do this. No, I don't. Technically, I want to do it straight up. But the problem is, it doesn't even let you rotate the way you want. Like, I have to do it like this. And that'll only do it straight. It won't let me angle this down. Or if I do, I can't like keep it like that and rotate. Yeah. Yeah, it's just looking too blurry. So if I look at the texture map control, I don't even know what that is. What am I even doing? Scene settings. No, probably not. Yeah, I wish you could control the environment better. I mean, I know they like let you upload things, but what does that even mean? Is it like a picture or like how come these control the lighting? Like if you zoom, if you there is a setting here, oops, that if you do environment, so now it's the environment, right? So now I'm like in a photo room. Which is like, okay, cool, but the product itself still looks blurry, you know? Even with the environment. Seems like I have more control at least over the brightness. What about exposure? Yeah, it just looks like Reflections. Flatten ground. Yeah, does flatten ground do anything when you do this? I guess maybe it flattens. Yeah, okay. Because it had a curve. Yeah, you're supposed to be like able to take photos of it like it's in a photo studio. But like, even if I did and I render it right now, capture image, transparent background. When I look at it, that's not a transparent background, first off. And it like cut it off too. It just looks so blurry. It is blurry. I mean, it's just like, I don't even get what you're supposed to accomplish with this. With it, the quality of this, I mean. I think it's just my design mixed with the texture. Like, when you use metal, it looks like way better. Like, I get why people use this for metal pictures of metal shit, because it does like look pretty cool. But for plastic, it looks like shit. And even glossy plastic, it's like, again, I get cool, like let's take a picture of it like this. And this isn't rendered, so maybe it's better when you render it. I don't know. But like, that looks better. Nah, the reflection checkbox just adds reflection to the bottom. You see, it makes it look like it's sitting on glass, which again is cool, I guess. And then that flattens the ground. But yeah, it's really dependent on the texture of the plastic. Like, that one's not too bad. It still doesn't look great though. Let's try rendering. Obviously you can't do it for a video. I wonder if TIFF would look better. Used to shop at Wikipedia. Nice. Render. Yeah, we might just have to give up on this and go back to product photos. I'll probably figure it out. It's not going to be on Fusion. I'm probably going to have to try a different tool. Because it's, I mean, maybe Blender? I mean, do I still have Blender? No, I don't. I think I had it on my old computer. I downloaded it a while ago. Weird. That's weird. Usually when you spill soda on things, it's completely fine. Oh shit, that's taking forever. Maybe we should grab Blender real quick. That's free, right? Let's just at least jump in there for a little, because I mean it's a powerful like, you know what I mean? It's, I don't have to actually make anything in Blender, but I can add texture to my shit and then maybe get a good thing. Nah, Blender's free, but they do let you donate. That's cool. Good for them for asking me. Can you guys hear that? Piano? Or something? Oh, I'm not even on a piano thing. Hey, this is where I put my thing. What you do is make a 20-point system around the switch and move the camera to each point. Every time, change the object on the top of the shelf, right? Keys, and then coins, then Pokemon cards, then a Scotch glass, then a few plushies, then a sticky note pack and pens. What revolves angles changes the object to? What? What the fuck did you write, Game Doodle? I didn't catch most of that. Okay, we're downloaded. Oh, I already did that. Open. What was the whole point? What did I just do? Maybe I already did it and I wasn't paying attention because of the music. Like, as the shelf is scrolling, it provides action to the video because the shelf is holding different... Oh, got it. As you're turning it, it changes objects. That's cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. Didn't I already do this? Why am I doing this again? Oh. Hey, we're in Blender. So you guys thought it was so hard. You thought Blender was so hard. Little did you know that I am an expert in Blender. Oh, see, look, I already have a cube. Look, I can do stuff. I can draw on it. Expert. No, I want to import. And what the fuck did I do already? Stop drawing on things. Okay, everybody chill. Import. Yes. STL. Yes. Now we're getting somewhere. Expert. Allow. Wrong file. Wrong folder. Okay, here we go. Light switch. One switch. Okay. Oh shit. That is huge compared to how it came into SketchUp. Okay. Okay. So now we... Oh no. What am I doing? Alright, now we need to add texture. Texture paint? No. Texture paint. Okay, well, step one, it looks like a thing. Okay, that's good. Hey, it even has the steps. Okay. What? Oh wait, I can actually paint a texture. Wait, how do you... You got color. Okay, so I want to go white. Oh, okay. Texture. Wait, what? Texture? What the fuck? What am I painting? Fill. Go. Go. Fill. 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 I don't know what I'm doing. Expert. Brush. Oh, here we go. I don't know, dude. Am I doing something right now? I don't think I am. Okay, texture paint. Fill on the right side, not the left. Well, what the fuck's the left side for then? Fill. Go. It won't even let me fill. What am I filling? Nothing's happening. Is my layer locked or something? No? Is it just too small? No, see? Yeah, I got a full thing. How do I draw? I want to draw white texture. You bitch. Can't I just choose a texture? I don't want to paint a texture. I changed my mind. Modeling. No, I don't want to model either. Animation. Rendering. Here we go. What? Now there's nothing here. Animation. Okay, can we get rid of this cube? Yeah, right. Oh, shit. I have a feeling that animating a really cool scene in Blender is super easy, considering there's cameras and stuff. Now, how do I... Shading. Light linking. Oh my fuck. Animation. New. Action. Oh shit, we opened up animation. Okay, so there. Let's keyframe type. Let's add a keyframe. And let's spin. How do you move it? Generate. Insert keyframe. All channels. Object, transform, rotate. Am I changing the keyframe? It does not appear that anything is changing. I do like this little controller though. Okay. Good to know. Animation does stuff. Shading. I think you gotta add a keyframe. Add 0 first? Maybe. Shading. I don't know what that's for. Oh, shit. I did something. Oh, what the hell did I do? I am now inside of a world. Okay. Is that just something built in? Alright, Indy. I'll see you around, man. Add to... speaker. Okay, texture paint. Back to you. How do we texture paint? Nothing is painting. How do we add a texture? Okay, I gotta get rid of this. Clear animation data, thank you. How do I paint on you? You'll join in a few minutes. Got it. Okay, wait. Texture paint. Vertex paint. Weight paint. Okay, so modeling I think is about actually changing the model. I don't want to do that. I do want to just change the texture. But it doesn't appear that texture paint is doing anything. I obviously just don't know what I'm doing. I must... What was that? What'd I just do? I just did something. How do I... Okay, I selected add texture. Brush assets or something over there. Well, now I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing on it. Okay. Looks like I have some homework if I want to use Blender. I do feel though that this is probably the only way I'm gonna get like a quality rendered 3D video is using Blender. Blender is super fucking complicated though. Which, cool man. More power to you. Hey, there you go. Now I can rotate. Which, you know, it's great. But for my needs, I'm going to have to... Ooh, you can do 3D, stereoscopy. Why not? I'm gonna have to, like, get really specific into texture painting models. I just need to know how to do two things. Texturize models and animate a sequence and export it. That's three things. I need to know how to export the animation as well, which I'm guessing once I have the animation done, it'll be like easy as fuck to export it, but yeah. Keyframe. This doesn't even look like it's adding a keyframe. Like, I don't see shit. There's no keyframe here. Usually you can see the keyframe. Like, I've worked with Flash and you know, Adobe Animation for a long time, and oh, is this recording now? What is this? Auto keying. Oh, auto keying. So now it'll probably just record everything I do. How do you rotate again? Select object. I just want to see if it works real quick. How do I manipulate this? Transform. No! Back to animation. I want to rotate. Gimbal. Oh, transform. Here we go. There we go. So that's the start. Alright, well let's put that to start. And now let's rotate it again. Just because I kind of got that going. Wait, what did I do again? I did object, transform, rotate. Alright. There we go, look. Done. We already have animation. Though, why is it rotating like that? Is that my point of rotate or something? That's really weird. Cool. And then all you have to do is export. How would you export a video? Oh, wait. Isn't there like a... It's probably export down here. File, save as, movie, Oh, this is a blender. Nope, we don't want to do that. Oh, render. Render animation. Oh shit, can't even see it. It's so big. Oh yeah, look at that rendering. Looks great. Can we zoom in more? How the fuck do you zoom out? View. Ooh. 3D viewport? I don't know what I'm looking at. Alright, it's rendered. Now what? It's based off the camera. Oh, is it? Where is the camera? This is the light. Where's the camera? Oh, is this the camera? I think that's the camera, isn't it? This little thing. How do I move you, camera? Oh shit. It's showing me the actual view on the left of the camera. How do I... It's just such a small camera. Oh shit. At least I can move around really easily. God damn it. Alright. I'm guessing... How do you change anything about the camera? Oh, here we go. I can delete the camera. I don't want to delete it. I want to... Oh, focal shift. Camera. How do I move it? I guess you can shift it. Shit. Wrong way. Let's shift it 100. There we go. Now let's go the other way, negative 100. No. I want to go this way. How do you go away? Well, it looks like we're gonna have to learn how to use the camera too. Bouncy balls and metal star things. I can't remember what it's called. The XZY in the top right looks like... Yeah. Right. Looks like clackers, right? Yeah, where's the Z? That's the only problem. Like... I mean, you can go really fucking detailed with this thing. 143. This is actually pretty interesting. Focal length. Field of view. And then you have the lighting. You have the camera and the lighting. It's really interesting. Oh god. What the fuck? So I can move it and then change the angle. But now it's not even pointing at anything. Alright. We're gonna need a little tutorial. I'm done. Hey! That was fun. We didn't get anything done today. we did learn some things. Namely that Fusion 360 can't do 3D videos. It can do 3D animations, but they're really shit looking, and they're not going to help me. Again, it would be actually pretty helpful for like how-to videos, how to put things together, or like showing the pieces going together and stuff, but which apparently you can do in the 3D rendering using the motion thing. What was it called? It's called... But you can't do that. I forgot. Yeah. I can't do that unless I use the cloud. But we did get all the auto walking direction working. I got that working. I also got all the character selection working. Character selection works now, so that's good. So one step closer. One thing I did notice though, there's a bug I have to fix in the game. We have to, when you go to a new area, it's loading up the wrong map image. When you refresh, it's using the right one. But because I switched it to where I wanted the feature image to be the pretty one and the field to be what, because I wanted to use videos. That didn't get changed. And I have some very specific logic when it comes to...
Hey Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. G.
Yeah, you see how they're changing directions and stuff like that, fine. We got all that working for NPCs. And I got this working here, watch. See? So now she can walk and all of her images show. And Graham's shows up here. And then you can show, see? Now we got Genie. I know it's a bunch of weird images, but it just shows the fact that character select works. Using all the images. So now they all get their own sets of images. Just like him, you know, his still work. Yeah. Functionality's there. Assets are not. And I confirmed that knife throwing still works. Pew! Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. I got launched. Yeah, Blender's easy. Wait, what'd you say? Just select the camera on the left. Oh, camera. Move icon? What's the move icon? Get rid of your 3D print. Oh. 4 arrows. What is this? Wow. Move 4 arrows. I don't see 4 arrows. Alright. Oh, here's a camera icon. Whoa. I am now in the camera. Oh shit, I'm in the camera now. Maybe not. Discord. Memes? Okay. I'm looking.
How'd you get those arrows to show up? I don't think I have that toolbar like you. Mine's all different. Maybe I need to change my setup. Window. No. Yeah, I just have like a bunch of things on my shit. Yeah, like, how'd you get that toolbar? I don't even have that toolbar. Alright, let's delete my model, you said? Or else we can hide it, I guess. What did I do? I do not know what I did. Oh, my 3D printer animation? Alright, let's go back before I did that. Let's delete animation. Clear. I don't know what that means. Delete. Oh no, I deleted the camera. Camera's good. Delete. Clear animation data. Oh. God damn it. Game Doodle, be more clear. There's cameras in Blender. And there's a 3D print in the Blender. Is this what you're talking about? Okay. You were just learning Mr. Mustache by Nirvana? Nice. I didn't know that was a song. Okay, wait. Let's go back and bring the animation back. Okay. So you're saying what? I can grab the camera and click move. I don't have a move icon. I am in the animation tab. I have to switch that. Layout tab. Yeah. But how do I... Okay, so I'm on the camera. Move. Okay, now I have it. So now I can move the camera. How do I make it not so long? Like, mine has like a big line. How do I bring you back? There we go. No. Bring you back. Bring you back. Start a new project, you think? Yeah, it's probably best. Video editing. No. General. Don't save. Okay. So let's delete this cube. And this is the camera. So I need a bigger camera because my model's so big. Let's import the thingy doodad. The product yeah. Light switch, one switch. Okay. So now, here's my video. How do I view and like what the video looks like? Probably just need to move back. Orbem, yes, Kuzo.
animation. Okay. Let's go back. What is my camera looking at? Oh, look, I have that thing now. How come the camera's not... How do I get a preview of the camera? Mr. Moustache. Yeah, I heard you. Or I read you. That's awesome. I don't know that song. Was never a big Nirvana fan myself. Camera. What am I looking at? I'm obviously not looking at what I want. In the layout tab, oh, view active cameras. Viewpoint. View. View. Active cameras. Camera? Okay, how do I move it once I'm in the active camera? Hold on, let me look at Discord. Oh, you got out. View render viewpoint. I mean, I can view camera viewpoint. But it takes me immediate. Oh wait, set active camera? Camera's active camera. Yeah, see, like, I want to move my view though while I'm here. Like, how do I change the camera angle while I'm actively in the camera? Okay, camera. How do I move you? So this is where you're pointing. I need to move you though. Aha! Rotate. There we go. Oh shit. I wish the camera wasn't so goddamn small compared to my model. That would probably make things a little simpler. Where'd you go, bitch? How'd I get over here? Oh my god. Fucking shit. This is a nightmare. Oh no. Okay. Getting better angle. Okay. Let's check. No, not you. You. Alright, so camera needs to aim right there. Maybe a little bit up like that. Now let's view the active camera. What the fuck? That didn't work. No. Active camera. Well, it should be pointing at the right spot now, right? How come it still doesn't look like it is? Oh wait, am I moving the camera now? No? Am I doing this backwards? Interesting. God, I just wish navigating wasn't so fucked. Yeah, I'm guessing maybe I'm doing this backwards. Let me turn it around. Maybe this is the view. And I'm supposed to be looking that way. Like that's the focal point, maybe? View. Camera. No, see, it always spins me around. So maybe it was right. Okay. Try again. View. Camera. Where am I looking? Is it too high? Alright, let's try again. No, it just doesn't work. Okay. I obviously don't know what I'm doing for viewing the camera. See, that is interesting. Like, is that what the camera's seeing? I don't think so, because I can do this. And this isn't doing anything. Perspective camera. No, I can't hear you. I don't have the sound turned on in Discord. Alright. I'm done screwing around. I will take a little bit of time and get acquainted with the whole camera and texturing thing in Blender, so next time we do this, I might have something. I might just do it on my own anyways. This isn't like the best streaming material. We'll do some more, I do appreciate it, Game Doodle, though. You try and help me out. But, you know, Blender's not the most intuitive thing in the world. It's pretty similar to a lot of the products I already know how to use, all the CAD and the, like, the, you know, Premiere Pro and all the Flash animation stuff that I've already done. But, like, there's just a lot of extra shit that I just haven't been acquainted with, so I'll get it. But, yeah. For now, tomorrow, we have our trademark meeting. We will get the rest of these new shelves printed and see if I can get a working prototype of the new fittings with the little nubs and everything. And then it should be a pretty much finished product. I'll throw some white on there and I'll get those printed out so I can take new photos. And yeah. We shall see. Either way, thank you everybody for jumping on with me. Always a pleasure. If you would like, we can do a quick raid.
Phone battle.
Because why not? Got a few people on here. And let's see who's on. I think Dead Slap was on earlier. Let's see if he's on still. Nope, he's off now. Well, there's nobody on, so no raid for us. But, as always, thank you everybody for coming on. All my bros on Twitch, all my bros on the YouTube Shorts live feed. Thanks for anybody watching this in the future. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it heavily. Subscribe and follow so I can appreciate it more. And come see some more stuff. We'll do some game dev tomorrow. We'll get this going because we're pretty damn close to just working directly on asset creations for the game, you know. That'll be exciting. Maybe I'll do a little bit of web development too. I can show you guys, you know, some web development on my store, because I'm gonna need to get that going at some point soon. I already have a point of sale, you know, POS system through Chase, and I can take orders right now if I wanted to for products. So just gotta get the store up and running, and obviously the Amazon store. But happy Monday / Tuesday. I'll see you in the next one, everybody. Thank you. Goodbye.